G'day Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Some compact little storms got going this afternoon across the Wide Bay and Capricornia, but we've got the all clear for tomorrow, at least for the eastern half of Queensland, before the threat increases again on Wednesday, Thursday. Today's temperatures were above average from every angle. It was a hot day by September standards, with tops hitting high 20s near the coast and low 30s inland. Looking at the satellite loop now, you can see it started off pretty clear, but already by midday we saw that telltale storm cloud starting to develop through central Queensland. We had some short, sharp little storm cells move through the Capricornia later on, and they affected the Wide Bay as well as Bundaberg, but at no point did we have to issue a severe thunderstorm warning. They were quite quick moving cells, and most of them have now cleared. We'll see the next lot coming in from the west on Tuesday, and then moving into the eastern half for Wednesday, Thursday. Let's have a look at today's chart. It's difficult to see the feature that produced those storms this afternoon, but there is a little weak trough there. Otherwise, very open pressure pattern, light winds, hence the early fog. On tomorrow's chart, though, we start to see a little bit more organisation, high moves offshore, more northerly winds, and a generally warmer day. Now, the latest from the Weather Bureau, the boating forecast for Capricornia waters, light variable winds tomorrow below 10 knots. Then it's a 10 to 15 knot easterly, east to northeasterly, I should say, for Wednesday, and straight northeasterly on Thursday. Tomorrow starts out with a high tide early in the morning, followed by a gentle fall to the daytime low tide. With last quarter moon just behind us, the tidal range is fairly subdued. Capricornia district forecast, some early fog and then a partly cloudy day. Gladstone reaching 28 degrees. Rockhampton a toasty 31. Billawheeler also 31, and Yeppoon 26. The Central Highlands and Coalfields, again some early fog. Cloud clearing though. Emerald 17 up to 32 degrees. Claremont 34. And Moranbah decidedly hot on 35. Looking ahead for Rockhampton, Wednesday, Thursday is the next risky period for storms, and depending how cloudy it gets, we may see a temporary drop in temperature, otherwise mostly sunny and very warm. A few old tips on how to forecast weather by watching farm animals. Horses normally sleep standing, but if you catch one lying down for a rest, it's often said to foretell wet weather. Many farmers claim that free-ranging pigs can be seen carrying straw into their shelters before an outbreak of rain. Unusually low fertility rates in cattle are apparently noticed before the onset of a long drought. And all the way from Spain, a donkey nodding and swaying its head is a sure sign that something's about to change. Thanks, June, for the artwork, and Glenda John for the research. Have a nice evening, folks, and now it's back to the team.
Great, thanks for that, Livio. And that's all from us for this Monday. Thanks very much for your company. Also, a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app or catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. And from all of us here, good night.